Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Pandas Airdrop listing date and price prediction, your complete guide. Cryptocurrency airdrops have gained immense popularity as a way to earn free tokens without making any investment. One of the latest airdrops to catch attention is the Pandas Airdrop. Here's a detailed guide to help you understand what it is, how to participate, and why you should act fast to maximize your earnings. What is Pandas Airdrop? The Pandas Airdrop is a crypto reward program hosted on Telegram, where users can earn free Pandas tokens by completing specific tasks. It's an excellent opportunity for those looking to enter the crypto space without spending money. This airdrop follows in the footsteps of earlier successful programs like the Nodepay and Dogs airdrops, which rewarded thousands of users with free tokens. If you missed those, here's your chance to participate and benefit from the Pandas Airdrop. The concept is straightforward. By completing tasks such as joining Telegram groups or referring others, you can earn Pandas tokens, which will later be tradable once they are listed on cryptocurrency exchanges. How does Pandas Airdrop work? The Pandas Airdrop is designed to make earning tokens simple but engaging. Unlike some airdrops where you only tap a button to earn rewards, this one requires active participation. Here's how it works. 1. Referrals. Referring others is one of the most rewarding ways to earn Pandas tokens. When someone signs up using your unique referral link, you get a set number of tokens. The more people you invite, the more you earn. 2. Completing tasks. In addition to referrals, you can complete various tasks outlined on the airdrop platform. These tasks may include following specific Telegram channels, joining related crypto communities, sharing content about the Pandas Airdrop on social media. The more tasks you complete, the more tokens you'll accumulate. These tasks are simple and won't take much time, making it easy for anyone to participate. Why join the Pandas Airdrop? Here are some key reasons to get involved in the Pandas Airdrop. No investment needed. You don't need to spend a penny to participate. All you need is a Telegram account and a few minutes to complete tasks. Great earning potential. The more tasks and referrals you complete, the more tokens you earn. This is an excellent way to gain crypto without risk. Early opportunity. Joining now means you'll have more time to accumulate tokens before the official listing. Early participants often benefit the most. Ease of use. The process is straightforward, even for beginners in the crypto world. Step-by-step guide to join Pandas Airdrop. Getting started is a breeze. Follow these simple steps to join the airdrop and start earning Pandas tokens. Join the Telegram group. Use the official link to join the Pandas Airdrop Telegram group. This is the main hub where all tasks and updates are shared. Click the Start button. Once inside the group, click the Start button to activate your participation. Complete tasks. Follow the instructions to complete tasks, such as joining other Telegram channels, sharing links, or posting on social media. Invite friends. Share your referral link with friends and family. Every successful referral will earn you extra tokens. Track your progress. Monitor your token balance directly in the Telegram bot or on the airdrop website to see how much you've earned. When will Pandas tokens be listed? Mark your calendar. Pandas tokens are set to be listed on popular cryptocurrency exchanges in September 2024. Once listed, the tokens can be traded, and their value will likely fluctuate based on market demand. If you join the airdrop now, you'll have several months to accumulate tokens, putting you in a strong position when the tokens hit the market. Pandas token price prediction. The initial listing price of Pandas tokens is expected to be $0.0023 per token. While this may seem modest, early participation in airdrops has historically proven to be highly profitable for many users. As demand for Pandas tokens grows, their value could increase significantly. For example, Tokens from previous airdrops like dogs saw steady price growth after their launch due to strong community interest and trading activity. By earning as many Pandas tokens as possible now, you'll position yourself to benefit from any future price increases. Tips to maximize your Pandas airdrop earnings. Complete all tasks. Don't skip any tasks, as every token counts. Some tasks may offer bonus rewards. Leverage referrals. Share your referral link widely to earn additional tokens. Consider sharing it on social media, forums, or with your crypto-savvy friends. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the Telegram group for updates, announcements, or new opportunities to earn more tokens. Plan ahead. Accumulate as many tokens as possible before the listing date to maximize your potential profits. Final thoughts. The Pandas Airdrop is a golden opportunity for crypto enthusiasts and beginners alike. With no upfront costs and simple tasks, it's an easy way to earn tokens that could grow in value over time. Whether you're looking to expand your crypto portfolio or just curious about the world of cryptocurrency, the Pandas Airdrop is worth exploring. Don't wait. Join today, start earning tokens, and prepare for the listing in September 2024.